How to gain weight in 10 simple tips. The first is eat 5 to 6 meals a day. In order to gain weight, you need to start eating 5 to 6 meals a day. However, it is important that you break these meals into parts, as eating a lot at once may result in indigestion and your body may not be able to absorb all the nutrients. The second step is weight train at least 3 times a week. When you train with weights, your muscles grow. Also, it is important that you gradually keep increasing the weight with which you train. Consuming 300 to 500 calories or more is the next. Eating 300 to 500 calories or more than the normal intake may not be easy, but you must do it if you want to stop being skinny. Work out your entire body is the next step. There are some muscles you can clearly see and admire in the mirror, and some muscles you cannot. A lot of gym goers usually train only the muscles on their arms, chest and shoulders, and this is a grave error. The next step is load up on protein. As informed earlier, you have to consume 300 to 500 more calories than your normal intake every day. You can do this by eating protein-rich foods like cheese, meat, eggs, etc. It may be tough to meet your calorie requirements by just eating. Drinking milk, milkshakes or protein shakes with little or no sugar can be a great way to load up on the required calories. Try and eat fast. People who are trying to lose weight are advised exactly the opposite, but for the same reason, people who are trying to lose weight are advised exactly the opposite, but for the same reason. Your body takes some time to give signals of satiety, which is why eating fast can help you eat more. Focusing on recovery after each workout and being patient with yourself and also believing in yourself are the next steps of gaining weight.